The welfare team made a huge difference to me personally and to all members of the household as well. But as far as me personally is concerned, Elin Meyer-Jones referred us to a unit specialising in providing aids for people with disabilities. And as a result of that, we got essential things in the bathroom like bath rails, a perching stool, which I found really useful when I'm shaving at the shaving mirror in the morning. And also, I asked her while she was here whether we'd qualify or not for a blue badge. And she said, well, make an application on your behalf for a blue badge. And she did, especially after I explained to her why I needed a blue badge.
We've helped so many tenants since the welfare team has started. And it could be just as simple as making a grant application for them to get a cooker and some essential items for their new property. And it's even, could be even something as simple as claiming free school meals, council tax reduction. And then you've got the other side of things where people have got disability and they need help in claiming disability benefits and so on. So by looking at and making all these little changes in their income and so on, it has a huge impact.